So I'm here at Nationals Day 2. A lot of my friends are here right now.
Hello!
Brandon and Roshan are currently competing. Ava's not here yet, right? Is she here?
Ava said she's coming at 11.
Oh, okay. Yeah, and I'm about to solve the blade. Ava's here. And I'm making progress on the blade. I have like 2 layers done, so yeah. Give this video a like because of that. Right now. Callahan's here.
Yay!
I'm not doing the click on the face thing today because I did that yesterday and I hate putting annotations in, but I'll put a link to his channel in the description. Kid Tower! I'm ready.
Jenny Summers.
I got lucky, kid.
Oh, darn it. +2. So, that's a 112 because I got a +2. I'm ready.
Hoshio, let's cut off for 4 minutes. You solve it under 4? Good. Alright, are you ready?
Double parity, 117, 762.
You ready?
Yeah.
Heat 15 to the green stage. Heat 15 of 4x4 to the...
Ready.
Back. And another called More Judge. Go into a supermarket to withdraw $11,000 in cash in front of everybody watching in a low-income area. Well, you survived.
102, new competition PB. Another competition PB. 1 minute, 5.591. So I pointed out yesterday that they call us cubists. Well, they're quite obsessed with it. Don't be square, join the cubists. Cubists are not one-sided. Well, I'm the Rubik cubic maniac. Cubists do it in seconds.
Well, I mean, doesn't everyone do it in seconds?
Hands.
I mean, technically you don't have to. I mean, you just have...
These are from the 1980s, so maybe back then we were called cubists, but I can't imagine that. Alice is doing a solve on her huge 3x3. She just bought it. Is that awesome or what?
Or what? The line got shorter after a little while.
So, yeah, I'll give you an update when she's on like PLL.
I'm gonna film this entire solve.
Yeah, I'm gonna do some stuff now, but yeah. Also, I meant to say in the last video, but sorry for bad lighting, it's just the science center has bad lighting.
Yeah.
So yeah. This is the Shane Show's cube. It's really nice, but it's really, really clicky. I might get one. Update on Alice, she's on PLL. U-perm.
Use a left-handed key? Yeah, you know what? I'm just gonna do the beginner's 3-cycle. It's a lot easier.
What is that?
The beginner's 3-cycle. F2?
Oh, I know that. I forget how it goes.
It's a lot easier. It's a lot easier than the other ones. I mean, I know an M2 one, like the one you use. U2. L, R prime. F2. I can do this. Last turn. F2.
Last turn.
Yeah.
Sorry I didn't get a video of it, but Roshan and I just got a 124.30 team blind.
Screw that.
We're awesome at that. Subscribe to him again, even more than you had to before. Okay, I'm ready. Okay, I'm ready.
I will not do this. Thank you.
Another 15.
You ready? Let me know when you're ready.
I'm ready.
What is this?
16. I broke the streak of 15. I'm ready.
Ready?
Oh! 13. Focus. I won't focus now. Well, that was a 13, just saying.
Fine.
13 to 7-3. I'm ready. Wait, this isn't on. Okay. I'm ready. Yeah. 5.273, sub 6 is possible.
I'm ready.
I'm ready.
Ready?
Yeah.
Zachary Goldstein.
6.567, doing better than round 1 at least. I'm ready. set. I'm ready.
Yeah, I know, it's a terrible average.
6058, maybe sub 6. Okay.
Ready?
6-second average at least, so I don't think I'm making finals, we'll see. There's and this is my friend Brandon. You've seen him a couple times on my channel actually, but he's pretty awesome. So he's at Nationals. Okay, team blinds with Roshan. You are too. No. What? No, wrong you.
Wait, what?
Did you? Oh, wait, sorry, you prime.
Oh,
I
okay,
failed.
so...
Yeah. Okay, D, F prime, D prime, R U prime, O prime, F prime, U, F. Okay, so now you have dot, OLL, so just do the, to get cross. We're gonna do two up.
Are there two things here?
Yeah, two things there.
Wait, is it all three on the side or just two?
No, just two.
Okay.
Yeah, U, Y prime, other way.
Wow, that's why.
Okay,
oh wait, no.
So now it's the G perm with the bar on the front left and the headlights on the right.
Wait, so does it...
Bar on the front, and it's on the left. Yeah, and then
Dots.
two headlights on the right.
Okay.
Oh, you used the same one as me.
Yeah.
Okay, done. 152, that's pretty bad for us.
Yeah.